performing like?
There's nothing like performing.
Every real artist's dream should be to rock a crowd, you know what I mean?
It's actually kind of different for me. You know, I never planned to be out on that stage. I'm a producer and
Hey.
Old time to the wood.
Old time. To the old time. Old time. Old time. I be screaming Emily the whole time. The whole time. The whole time, nigga. I be screaming Emily the whole time. The whole time. The whole time, nigga. I know we was gonna get it. The whole time. The whole time. The whole time, nigga. I been reppin' Emily the whole time. The whole time. The whole time.
Never nervous. Most thing I'll be nervous about is nothing, man. I'll be nervous, man. It's not fucking performing.
And then it kind of actually hits you that you're about to perform, so it's like terrifying because you don't really know what the hell's about to happen. But then it's like once the music starts, you just forget about everything again.
I don't even got sick, they don't got what they sick. Crystal tears, man, the first track, G-Ra, everybody three-la. Out my eyes, I'm still feel like I ain't even seen nothing. Niggas off that speed up, now we blowing the phone. Can't see me, no. Hope right side of me, baby. Let's get it on. Break down, make it wrong. In my zone, we love. In my zone, I'm alone. In my zone, we love. Cross it over.
You know, you put so much work, so much time, so much emotion into your craft and what you're trying to create.
you know what I'm saying, your whole life into your sound, all of your stresses, all of your problems, depressions, girl problems, problems with your friends, problems with your family, all your happiness, everything, all of your time goes into making this music.
So when you finally get that chance to get up on the stage and just let loose and let that energy loose, man, it's like a flow. It's like
You just letting go of everything.
I keep all my real niggas close to me. Right here going hard, that's what we supposed to be.